It's just a moment. A fleeting one, not easy to grasp. When it appears, you need to know how to seize it. Like all those who came before you and mastered the art of the chase. Go after it. Stay calm and follow your instincts. So it doesn't drift away. That short, intense, decisive moment is finally here. Your rifle is ready. Are you? It's all in your hands now. The new CZ600 series. For all those who've fallen in love with hunting and all that it stands for. Alpha, Lux, Trail, Ergo, and Range.